Greatest common factor of x. Smallest power is 1/2, so this becomes an x to the 3/2. I am removing a positive 1/2 minus x to the 1/2. I am removing a 1/2. So this is x to the 1/2 times 3/2 minus 1/2 is 2/2, or 1. And 1/2 minus 1/2 is 0. X to the 0 is just 1. On this one, I'm going to be factoring out a common factor of 4. The number is easy. This is an x to the negative 2/3, smallest power. I'm removing the 4. So it's gone. Don't ask me why I wrote it down. From the x to the negative 2/3, I'm removing a negative 2/3. So essentially it's gone. Leaves a 1 behind. Plus 2 x to the 1/3 minus, move this over, a minus 1/3, 2/3, excuse me. So what am I going to be left with? 4x to the negative 2/3 times, minus a minus is a plus, x to the 0, that's 1, plus 2x, minus and a minus is a plus, 1/3 plus 2/3 is 3/3, or 1. This is like a factoring by grouping problem. I have the same set of parentheses here and here. So greatest common factor is a 4. And that set of parentheses I'm taking this whole thing, leaving me with a 1. I'm taking a 4 from the 12, leaving me with a 3, because this guy's going to be gone. It's there, which is just 4 times x minus 1 times negative 2, which is negative 8 times x minus 1. Weird, huh? I didn't type the problem. Greatest common factor is a 5 and an x to the negative 2. So I'm removing a 5x to the negative 2, so that's 1. From the 5, from 15, I'm removing a 5. From an x to the 3, I'm removing a negative 2. So this becomes 5x to the negative 2 times 1 plus 3x, minus and minus is a plus, to the 5th. Greatest common factor is a 6, and you notice the set of parentheses here and here are the same. So it's going to be that set of parentheses, smallest power is 1. So it's 2x plus 1. I'm taking the 6 from the 2x plus 1. I'm removing one of them. Plus 6, and I'm completely removing this guy. So this becomes 6 times 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 to the 1 plus 2 times 2x plus 1 to the 0. 6 times 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 plus 2. Because this guy is just 1. Or 6 times 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 3. Now I would rearrange this just a little bit. 6x to the 1/2, 2x plus 3, bring the 8 in, because once we start derivatives, things get a little bit messy. So there's no 2x plus 3 here. So the greatest common factor is a 2. They both have x's, and the smallest power is 1/2. So I'm taking a 2 from the 6. I'm taking the x to the 1/2. That leaves me with a 2x plus 3 plus. I'm taking a 2 from the 8, leaving me with a 4. X to the 3/2 minus 1/2, which 2x to the 1/2 times 3 times 2x plus 3 plus 4. 1/2, 3/2 minus 1/2 is 2/2. Or 2x to the 1/2 times 6x plus 9 plus 4x. Or 2x to the 1/2 times 10x plus 9.